Welcome to 20's Systems Training. These videos will take you through all the key systems that we use here at 20: Bullhorn, Broadbean, Cloud Call, and 2360. They're designed to ensure you can understand and use all the key functions of these systems to ensure your ability to be able to do your job and place candidates is efficient as possible. Bullhorn is our CRM system, where we store all the information about our candidates, the companies that we work with, and the jobs that we're hiring for. It's the focal point for all of our systems, and your ability to be able to understand and navigate Bullhorn is very important. Bullhorn is completely web-based, and it will work in nearly any web browser or operating system. You just need to have a computer and an internet connection. You will each have an individual login and password to Bullhorn that will be provided to you when you join the company. Right, so to get started to using Bullhorn, let's head over to the Bullhorn staffing login page on an internet browser and enter your unique login details to be able to access the system. Once you've logged into the system, you'll be taken to the Bullhorn menu, which is basically your launchpad, and gives you access to all of your list views and searches, links to training, and support information. My dashboard will launch your recruiter or manager dashboards depending on your access. Tasks launches your task list that you can individually customize. Leads launches your lead list and your search function within those. Contacts launches the contact list and allows you to search within those. Candidates will again launch your candidate list and allow you to search your candidate base. Job activities launches the list that shows you all of the activities associated with jobs within the company. Companies shows you the list of all the companies that we work with. Opportunities is where you can record all of your job leads and track your win ratios. Jobs is where all of the jobs that we're currently hiring for are recorded within the system. And placements is the list of all of the placements that we have made as a company. You'll then see the home function has Resume Wizard, Activity Center, Distribution Lists, Hot Lists, Message Templates. Support has all of the support functions that you need and training. Tools is very much there for the administrators of the system, and Marketplace will show you additional products that we've bought, such as Broadbean Search. For now, let's open up the candidate list. Every part of Bullhorn has a list view that looks like this one, and because of consistency across the platform, once you learn to navigate one list, you can navigate them all. You can add, remove, reorder, and filter the columns to display the exact information that you want. You can then save these custom layouts for later and reload them whenever you would like. Some of the great features include being able to set and save custom layouts, making inline edits to individual records, as well as being able to do mass updates, such as adding them to hot lists or emailing candidates all at once. You can then use the binoculars to preview information about a specific record. For candidates, this includes pulse cards, as well as any notes, the experience of the candidate, and the detail within the CV. From the Action menu, we can add tasks, log submissions, and placements, and compose an email to send to a candidate. Although the layout is the same on each of the list and binocular views, the options for what information you can see will vary depending on what specific area of Bullhorn you're in. Let's take a look at the job list. As you'll see, the job list is identical in terms of layout to that of the candidate list. The two remaining areas we're going to look at in this introduction is the search function and the dashboard. Bullhorn searching tools are extremely robust, and you'll learn how to use them later on in the course in much more detail. The list view dashboards are available to everyone and offer a more visual display of your information. Most cards will allow you to toggle between a graphed and a list format. All cards will allow you to filter and configure your data. This means you can make sure the data that's shown is relevant to your desk. And once you've customised your cards, you can also rename them. You can add and remove cards from your dashboard just by clicking the Add Card button in the top right-hand corner of the page. You can then drag and reorder your cards into your desired order. You can even add the same card twice if you'd like to filter the card to have a different view and two sets of data. As you can see here, you can filter it to see the whole company or just your individual stats. Before we finish this introduction, let's take a quick look at the Fast Find. This allows you to search for and quickly open records within the database. The Fast Add allows you to add leads, candidates, contacts, companies, opportunities, jobs, notes, tasks and distribution lists at the touch of a button. The two buttons in the right-hand corner of the page allow you to print and also refresh the page whenever you need to. If you go back into a candidate record, what you can then do is either send a hyperlink to somebody else or pin a window. Pinning a window is useful when you want to have multiple records of the same entity, either candidates, leads or jobs open at the same time. If you don't pin these records, then by default when you open up another record, it will override the previous one and you'll lose the first you were looking at. This is the introduction to Bullhorn video.